Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We've hit a massive milestone. We've hit 250,000 subscribers and I really cannot believe we're here. We've done it. And we've had an incredible journey together, all because of you. So as many of you already know, when we first started this channel, this channel evolved because of the situations in the world and the situations that happened with me. And it was just the love of my cooking I wanted to share with everybody else to help people cook. And never in my wildest dreams did I think I would be part of such an amazing cooking community. Just amazing. So, for each and every one of you, whether you've been here such a long time, and there are some really diehards that have been here forever, or even if you've just subscribed last week, this whole channel is about you. You are the reason this channel keeps growing. It's the likes, it's the thumbs up, it's the sharing with your friends, all the little things like that. Dropping a comment on the channel. And I try and answer every single comment on the channel. I believe if somebody makes a comment to me, I have the right to reply, and I would like to reply. I'm old school, I'm old fashioned, I believe in opening doors, and this door was opened to me by you guys, and I will always help anybody that needs any help along the way. Everybody can cook. They've just got to cook without all that tosh that comes from everybody. You've got to do it this way, you've got to do it that way. Rubbish. You've just got to cook. You've got to enjoy the journey. It's a creation. You're creating something out of love. Okay, and necessity. You have to cook to survive. But the real chefs of the world are you guys, all the people at home that are making food, making meals, preparing for someone else, everything. Not the chef standing on a line turning out the same old tosh every day. You guys are the real chefs. You are the real inspiration to this channel. I cannot emphasize that enough. I am just so pleased to be part of this community. And of course, there's some real special people on this channel. The people that donate all the time, that buy the coffees, and and my Patreons. I cannot have achieved what we've achieved without the support and the love from the people who buy the coffees, who are my Patreons. You have really helped this channel grow. Every single penny donated goes whack straight back into the ingredients, and we will make every single day as long as we can. My heart goes out to you. I really couldn't have done this without you. You've got 250,000 subscribers, and I've got the support from the people buying my coffee, and I've got my Patreons. There's more to come. We're going to keep going on. We're going to keep turning out the meals. We're going to keep helping as many people as possible. If this channel grows and it gets 1 million subscribers, that is absolutely fantastic. If somebody keeps leaving a comment on my channel saying, I made this meal last night, it was superb, my family enjoyed it, that means more to me than you will ever know. Keep leaving your comments. Let me know how you're getting on. I will try and help you the best I can. And I just want to say, from the bottom of my heart, to all 250,000 of you, thank you. I can't say it any other way. Thank you very, very much. And you know, if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe, big thumbs up, ring that bell, and you know, we'll catch you in the next video.